In this video, I'll walk you step by step how to start using belt tracking in your account. Belt tracking automatically tracks your gym members' belts, tells you which members are eligible for a belt upgrade, and what inventory your gym needs to have on hand for an upcoming ceremony. So let's get started. First, visit My Account by clicking the menu in the top right of your screen to make sure that belt tracking is on in your account. Then click Belts on your sidebar menu and the Settings tab, which will bring you to the belt tracking settings. Go through and toggle on any belts that your gym uses. Leave off any belts that your gym does not use. For each belt that you've turned on, type the number of days that a student must have their previous belt before they're eligible to upgrade to that belt. So, for example, by writing 45 here, I'm saying a student must have a gray belt, which is the previous belt, for at least 45 days before they're eligible for a yellow belt. You can also add any custom belts that your gym uses that don't appear on the list. And once you've added all of the belts your gym uses, click Save. You've now configured belts in your gym's account. When adding new members to your gym, you'll be asked to list their current belt, if any. Once you do that, SimpleGym will automatically add them to this belt tracking report and start tracking those students here. So if you don't see a member on the list, it's probably because they haven't been assigned a belt, which you can do when you add the new member or when you edit that member's profile. This belt tracking report lists your member's current belt, their last promotion date, and if they're eligible for a belt promotion. If you've entered your members' belt sizes, this report is also helpful to confirm your gym has the belts needed in inventory when preparing for an upcoming belt ceremony. If you have any questions about belt tracking, check out our detailed support article, or if you have a question that we haven't covered, you can ask our team your question directly by creating a support ticket.